Amayia iliumana dente wateka ime na isiko ya Gusii. Abulitangani nikotoa kuire ya mase ya mogo ikase kaunti ya Nairobi anene ase maonyesho ya krimo kusakreja South of Kenya Nairobi International Trade Fair yegendete asensemeyo gose ase umunulionde abantu na esho egendete asensemeli ya Nairobi ndochugena gocho Chinsa iga ngodena yagendete torore kromoligeto milredi momanya mona bande babegete ekambi asensemeyerigo toenekelia na gotoro kyana yagendete koenekiwa asensemeyo ya Nairobi International Trade Fair anene asumuroberio bogokini ebirengo byoboremi asense yetu ya Kenya bona botambe milredi auto taibuna oboremi nobonda igona kiagere bara asensemeye ya Nairobi asogotoretere ya mase ya Makori abutorere na kyoboremi oendete kurigereriwa asensemeyo ya Nairobi International Trade Fair kunento juko Chinsa chigo ikatia bana koire asemese magana mayende turamana ali agenda tokorekana ime na isiko ya Gusii omo sweli monene bwe serikali ngobana atiani gubene wasobi sina gochaka emerobelio yaye bene boigo chingwana gatyo mabwasi miuro moja na wan Kenya nigo chigendete tokorekana asamagacho apomas of Kenya ayunga tiali ngwariganetia se marogo omoga soboni gachinse jiga kolende ase county ya Nyamira nindo jebuna ekiombe ligia Kenya Medical Practitioners Dentist Union abarabo nigo bono bateberuna nigo baochikobeke bintu byabense muna gotakore mirimo anekera magania bataraigwekana gosataraigwewa ase county ya Nyamira baigo lingana lyo kumwaka isiko mugavana bwe county ya Nyamira mosinyalibo yoroberio korekana ankyo nigo wendete kunguse birengerero ao kerabe musia bateberuna nigo barobere tuchu ikaransa na gukwanira na kumwaka isiko mugabana oyo asobokorari bwaye obobe nigo tokwathana nacho Auta kurasensemeli yomuntu bwemanyererio abigari nyanja mana kimnago chira serio yamo nechibicha nyasomego cha sole ninche Brighton Makori. Litukeri bono ni ya Jumatatu jitariki nemeronke bere na Isano umutenyo kianda mwaka bigirubere nemeronke bere na Isato getaseni Ndizi TV amangana ye Chinsa Isano ibere ngetonjaga korwa se county ya Nyamira sibono ekiombegerigia Kenya Medical Practitioners Dentist Union orosagi Rwanyanza nigo bono babekire ebintu byabense manene ekaroba chire bose baguchucha komogirobo ayani gago jamagiga yogotayigwekana ebirero byabe banyare bakorwa ekaroba rweta matuke meronke bere nerimo elinde banyare bakwigwekana nebirero byabo kurende nigo bono bateruna nigo barosire korengana ebirengero byabo mbere igwekana buna Steve Onyango hawatoerera asumugaso obono.
Moment of history. This is a moment of truth when if we do not stand tall right now, we are all going to be in trouble. The patient, the doctors, the nurses, the clinical officers, and the citizens of Nyamira County. It has come with great sadness that we have come to this crossroads, but we have no choice. In fact, we are the victims here. We are being victimized by a very greedy and belligerent county entity. We stand in solidarity, in unprecedented unity, our union, KMPDU. Until our demands are met, we are going to join the county government of Nyamira in a lawful and protected strike that they initiated themselves. Thank you.
Omori gito job mangi no arasi county ya Nyamira endete utubwateri engani yekrotogosika bosio nigo bono Renson Murere igonga anyarire kakoegwa gose gakorichira gose kotianiwa gojikobo mosorio monne bwe serikali asumuntu bekanyambariro Director of Public Prosecution omoyiga oikiranwa nomurai bwenze asamagacha State House azibono Murere atebirumna ni alacho koremeremo kubwatikana nerichiko asense ya Kenya.
Ladies and gentlemen, Your Excellency, sir, this state ceremony is convened pursuant to Article 74 and 157 of the Constitution for the swearing in of the newly appointed Director of Public Prosecutions. The constitutional duty we honor by way of this swearing in is espoused in Article 74 of the Constitution, which states as follows: Before assuming a state office, acting in a state office, or performing any function in a state office, a person shall take and subscribe to the oath or affirmation of office.
I, Ranson Mulele Ngonga, do solemnly affirm that I will well and truly serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Director of Public Prosecutions, that I will at all times and to the best of my knowledge and ability protect, administer, and defend this Constitution and exercise the constitutional functions entrusted to me with a view to upholding the dignity and the respect for the criminal justice system of Kenya, having regard to the public interest and interest of the administration of justice without any fear, favor, bias, affection, ill will, prejudice, or any political, religious, or other interest.
Asomo yugo yubono bugotianiwa kwa murere nigo munachebino monene bwensu ya Kenya Martha Koome nera sabire okubwaterana gati yobisyo mosoheri bwe serikali amo ne kambero osubuna chebina elinde meremo nyare kogendra Chinsa mochonsi asobuya asense ya Kenya boigo Martha Koome niga semeribuna murere na chokore merememia asense ya Kenya asikeru ikyo ko bosoheri obonene bwe serikali Director of Public Prosecution ime ya Kenya.
I join in congratulating Mr. Renson Murere Igonga on your appointment and swearing into office as the 3rd Director of Public Prosecutions in our 2010 constitutional era. Mr. Igonga, you assume office of the Director of Public Prosecution, and for us this marks an important transition in the justice sector and in our nation. It is also notable that you are assuming office after a very transparent and meritocratic appointment process that you went through. And for us, this speaks volumes about your capability